Before we begin, make sure you are wearing the right safety gear for the site you are working on and tools you are using. You will need sliding door roller set part number 104651, a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, a second pair of hands depending on the size and weight of the product. There are many reasons why rollers need replacing. Your house may have settled over time, or your rollers may have worn a little. Before we begin, a second pair of hands is required depending on the size and weight of the product. To begin, stand on the inside of the house. To replace rollers on your standard sliding door, you will need to adjust both the rollers to its lowest position. To perform the adjustment, simply lift the panel on the side in question to access the slot at the very bottom. Place your Phillips head screwdriver into the slot and turn your screwdriver anti-clockwise to lower. It's a good idea to lower the rollers on both sides of the panel slightly to ensure the washer that locks the rollers into position is set enough to avoid scraping on the sill. Lower the panel back down and check how it operates. Ensure you have floor protection to rest the panels on, as it will prevent scratches on your flooring. Now to remove the door panel, hold the panel on both sides and lift it up into the head, gently tilting the bottom out towards you until the whole door panel can be removed. Place the door on its side and with the use of a screwdriver, slide the roller casing away from the aluminium style. Now place the new roller into the existing casing, making sure the washer is kept flat hard against the top of the slot. With the Phillips head screwdriver, slightly adjust the roller with just enough tension so that the washer stays in position. On the opposite side, repeat the same process. You can now put the sliding door panel back in. The panels will require adjusting. Please refer to our video, How to Adjust an A&L Sliding Door.